Unlocking the power to quickly tally and average vast amounts of data in Excel is simpler than you think. Let's say you have a list of sales figures and you need to find the grand total instead of clicking each cell individually. We can use the sum function. Simply click on the cell where you want your total to appear, then type an equals sign, followed by sum, and in opening parenthesis. Now, click and drag your mouse across all the cells you want to add together. You'll see the cell range appear in the formula bar. Close the parenthesis and press enter. Voila! Your total is instantly calculated, but what if you want to find the average of these numbers? The process is similar. We'll use the average function again. Start with an equals sign, then average, and in opening parenthesis. Click and drag to select your desired cells. Close the parenthesis, and hit enter. And there's your average. These functions are incredibly versatile. You can even combine them and reference specific cells using their addresses, like C2 or D10, to create more complex, dynamic calculations. By mastering these simple yet powerful functions, you transform your Excel spreadsheets into efficient data analysis tools. Start crunching your numbers with confidence today.